Hi guys, I made a decision. This is the big reveal about my hair. I hope you guys didn't think it was something really serious. I did make a decision. I cut my hair. I did go with a pixie cut. Wanted to do something that was really easy. Being a mom of 3 and still looking fashionable, edgy, just the ease of doing this. This literally takes me like 5 minutes to run a wand through my hair. So I hope you guys like it. Hi, this is Caroline, always reminding you that you are created beautifully. Today, I am going with a very gold, bronzy Christmas look, holiday look, and I paired it today with a red lip. For you guys who are subscribed to this channel know I really like to go big and bold, go big or go home. But you can feel free to pair this look with a nude lip color. So if you're curious at all on how I got this look, please continue watching. Oh, if you are new to this channel and you have just found it mysteriously, no, you were divinely brought here. Go ahead and click on that subscription button and turn on your notifications. That way you know every time I post a new video. Let's get started. Did my brows, primed my eyelids with concealer, and I also set it translucent powder. So today, I don't even know why I did it. Did my whole foundation, concealer, and all that good stuff. So I am hoping there is no fallout and this doesn't turn into a disaster. Let's get started. So what we're gonna do first is I'm gonna take Maybelline's Color Tattoo in Bad to the Bronze, and I'm gonna use this as a base. And I'm just gonna use my ring finger, making sure that I get that all over. Next, with a flat shader brush, I'm taking this matte color Woodwink, and I'm gonna place that all on top of that base. I'm just making sure to do this in a patting motion so I can get the best color payoff. I am just gonna run this on top of what we just put on, just to soften any hard lines. And this is just a clean brush. Next, with the MAC 237, I'm going in with the color Down Brown. And I'm going to start that in the inner tear ducts right in my crease. I'm just going back and forth. And then whatever is left on the brush, I'm just going to kind of brush it up. Now with that same color, same brush, I'm going to go into my outer V and I'm going to start building up that color. Again, with a light hand in circular motions, I'm going to get it to the intensity that I want it, which is pretty smoked out. So you really just want to take your time with this step, taking as much color as you need, going back and forth. Now I did use my translucent powder to bake, which is why I added my foundation on first today. I just want to see if this is going to work. Again, I'm going back into the inner tear duct, going right into my crease, going back and forth, and then flicking it up. See how that looks? So I did decide to keep my hair short. It's just so much easier. I would have loved to let my hair grow out, but like I said, it never really grows out too long. It never gets super thick. So having 3 kids, I just wanted to do what was the easiest. Now we're going in with that blending brush just to soften any hard lines. And I'm just going right on top of the color. I'm gonna blend it out and then I will add in a transition color. I'm going back in with the 237, going back in with the Down Brown, and I'm just gonna connect my halo. And I'm just gonna lean back a little bit so that it's just in my crease area, but a little bit above. Right, now I'm taking a tapered brush, a Motive color, I don't even know what the name is. Like it's a skin tone color, and I'm just using that as my transition color to soften it all up. I did like the Woodwink, that's the original color I used, but I'm gonna go in with my Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm going in with the color Queen, beautiful gold bronze color, and I'm just gonna go in with my finger because I think that best color payoff for this color. And I'm just gonna use my finger and I'm just gonna pop that right on top. See that? And then just to marry, I know I'm using a lot of colors, I'm so sorry. Just to marry all these colors together, I'm gonna go in with my Masquerade Juvia's palette. I'm just gonna take the color Ahia, gonna put that right on top to kind of connect all the colors together. Finally, I'm just gonna go back in with that Down Brown, and I'm just gonna quickly intensify that outer V and also that inner corner. Highlight color today, I'm going in with Rice Paper from MAC. I'm just taking a fluffy brush. I'm gonna add that right on the brow bone area. Concentrate most of the color right at the peak of my brow, and then I'll push the rest of it down. Rice Paper is one of my very favorite, and actually my very first highlight color for my brow bone area. Now I'm going back in with the fluffy brush just to make sure the white is just not too stark white, like it blends in. Now we're just gonna line our eyes. Again, I'm going in with my NYX Epic ink. I really like the intensity of this pen. My one knock is, like, it doesn't bleed when it's on the outside. Going toward the inner part of my eye, like it bleeds. Look, it's already doing it. I have no idea why it does that. So what I always have to do is let it dry, and then I'll go back in there and just put the shadow on top. So I'm gonna line my upper waterline area. I'm just taking gel liner. I'm just gonna brush off all of the setting powder. I am gonna use the same gel liner. I'm gonna line my waterline. I'm gonna take a chisel shader brush, and I'm going in with Woodwinked. I'm gonna get that really close up. Taking that same shader brush, I'm gonna go back in with Brown Down, and I'm gonna put that on the outer part of my eye. I'm gonna just add some falsies and a little mascara, and then I'll come back and we'll finish up the look. I'm gonna go in with Lovejoy by MAC, dual fiber brush to do this. I'm gonna take Maybelline Master Chrome in Molten Gold. Go back in with the Juvia palette, and I am gonna take the color Giza. This should just add a pop of color into my eye because it is smoked out look. MAC's all fired up. On top of this, I am gonna go in with my favorite, because you know with red lipsticks, they do bleed. So I'm just gonna take a little bit to clean them up a little bit. And I'm just gonna spray because there's a lot of powder on my face. I really wanna give it that dewy look, so I'm just gonna take my Fix Plus and I'm gonna drench my face. So this is our finished look. This is our final look. I hope that some of you will try this out. I always do these looks in the hopes that someone will reproduce it. If you're going out to a holiday party, or you're gonna spend time with your friends, bake swaps, work parties, church functions, going out, celebrating, I hope you try this out. As always, God bless you all. Bye.